Hi, I'm Emily, a second-year manufacturing apprentice at KLA Newport. I spend 4 days a week working at KLA and 1 day in college, where I'm completing a Level 3 BTEC in Electrical Engineering. I chose the apprenticeship over university because after finishing sixth form, I wanted to get straight into industry and learn hands-on. The semiconductor industry is so specialised, and being an apprentice here really makes you feel like you're part of something big.
Hi, I'm Lily Thompson. I started at KLA through the Network 75 scheme and it's been extremely rewarding. There are multiple benefits to the Network 75 scheme. You graduate with a bachelor's honours degree and 5 years of experience in your field. You also get to work with knowledgeable colleagues who offer guidance and support while recognising that you're still learning. Other benefits include graduating without student debt and getting paid to earn. The scheme offers a unique opportunity to gain real-world experience while earning your degree. When I started at KLA, I had little to no knowledge of the semiconductor industry. It's incredible to see how our tools shape the future of tech and the amazing workforce driving it.